got restriction 666. Okay, we got the Panther Piss OG in Detroit watching from Australia. Right line for the win. They got too happy over here. They must have. Hey.
This car, he sat there. Tell that nigga pay me my money before I be on YouTube. That nigga don't like to pay it.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
That one was fixed.
Hey,
Yeah.
Say, look out.
Yeah.
I hate a fixed motherfucker, man. That man quit putting that
Yeah.
shit on there, man.
Yeah.
You gonna get that motherfucker hurt saying
Yeah.
that bullshit.
Yeah.
That nigga, every time that nigga lose, he thinks some shit fixed, man.
Let me see.
You need to quit putting that motherfucker on there, dog.
Let me see.
Because I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Okay, hey.
He think my shit fixed
Yeah,
again.
yeah.
I'm gonna be on motherfucking YouTube. Hey, on my mama. Hey, on my mama, man.
Yeah.
He think my shit fixed. I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah.
He did what?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Redskins said he gonna quit fucking with Tyrone.
Yeah.
Oh, he got the hit. Hey, what happened, man? He get the hit first.
He got the hit, he got back time.
Yeah, but he was spinning. This motherfucker was still. He didn't even do like he normally race. He still let him win.
He said he was
can't
gonna
beat
let him
this
win
truck.
either way.
He can't beat this car.
Hey.
Fix that shit.
I just wanted the money.
Man, fix that shit, man. That truck weak. Motherfuckers spinning and shit. These motherfuckers still sitting there.
Yeah.
That bullshit.
What the baby gonna do if you doing all the climb? What the baby
I
gonna do?
see some fixed shit. That was fixed.
Yeah.
On my mama. On my
He sat there.
That shit. That man said that was some big shit. How long he sit there, Tyrone? Hey, that man that man took off.
Hey man, don't you indulge.
Fix that shit. That was a fixed race. Y'all heard Parker Town. Let's go back here and see what's coming up. Yeah, that's your jam. He ready? He ready? Ay, ay, ay! Vámonos! Nitro! Mira, Nitro! Right line for the win. Right line for the win.
What they think they on the highway or something?
Yeah.
Big ass ring.
Yeah. Yeah, they think they on the highway.
I don't know what they think they in. But Blackjack better not never come back out the Yello Belly no more and put something on it.
Yeah.
Something on it. Hey, yeah. Ask him to come out here. You can't pay him to come out here.
He come to XRP, he got everything in racing in that week.
I'm going right here.
Hey, look up.
Huh?
Your
Where you
video
at?
stay
Yeah, you can go right now.
But it's on YouTube.
It's on YouTube right now.